For me, equality can be misused or when people invoke it to avoid responsibility or accountability or effort.
So, way back sa previous company ko, nakita ko talaga yung situation kung saan nagamit yung equality as an excuse since close ko yung mga workmate ko, ako lagi yung gumagawa ng mga task on time. Pero as time goes by, napansin ko na dumadami yung excuses nila. So, tipong equal lang naman tayo or tulong na lang, friends naman tayo. Eventually, sa akin nila pinapasala sa trabaho. So, parang they took advantage of the kindness and trust na binibigay nila sa akin. Binibigay ko sa kanila rather. So, thinking na okay lang din sa akin dahil magkaibigan kami, doon ko nakita na minsan, people use equality not to share responsibility but to avoid it.
Unfortunately, yes, but it depends on the context and extent, or overprotection can intentionally stunt growth.
Being too protective or too considerate can really make someone weak or dependent. So, based in my college days, I had this friend na palagi kong tinutulungan sa assignments from first year up to third year. So, medyo matagal din yun. And because I always help him, nasanay siya na umaasa lagi sa akin. Tapos, it even reach a point na nagalit siya kapag hindi ko na nabibigyan ng assignment or activities or assignment. So, that's when I realized na sobrang consideration ko, tapos hindi ko siya natutulungan maging dependent. So, I decided na lumayo muna and I let him handle things on his own. And minsan kailangan mo na talagang mag-step back para matutunan nilang tumayo ng sarili nilang mga paa.
Equality sometimes requires adjusting support so that everyone has a fair chance, but giving identical treatment in that cases, protecting someone is not favoritism, it's correcting for vulnerability on etc.
So, back when I was working with a team project, so may isang kasama kami na medyo mahina pa talaga sa technical skills. So, some members suggested na bigyan na lang siya ng mas magaang task or ibabypass namin yung mga workload or mga works na dapat para sa kanya para mabilis matapos yung project. Pero for me, equality didn't mean favoring him or giving him special treatment. So ang ginawa ko is I treated him the same way na trinit ko yung everyone. So binigyan ko siya ng task, deadline na kailangan niya pag-aralan in the same time na ma-meet niya yung expectation ko. Not to pressure him but to protect him from feeling useless or left out. So by giving him equal responsibility, he actually improved and gained more confidence. So more like in that situation, equality wasn't about giving favors. It was about protecting someone's dignity and helping them grow on their own.